Great. Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we understand about the unit first and the second of this applied zoology paper of SEM 5. Unit first is about fisheries, and the unit second is about different parasites of human beings, stored grains, and the crops, and also about the economic importance of the agriculture phase to understand. Now we have to understand about unit third, which is related to the poultry. Here we have to understand about the classification of poults based on their use, particularly the broilers and the commercial layer. There are different types of the broilers. Particularly, they are utilized for the meat purposes. Commercial layers are being utilized for the egg laying. We'll understand what these different kinds of the broilers and commercial layers when we into the topic. Then the second topic is related to the principles of poultry building. Then there will be a management of breeding, stocks and the broilers, processing and the preservation of the eggs. Now within these principles of poultry breeding, we have to understand about how this breeding processes has been taken place, and after getting the eggs and incubating the eggs, hatchlings will become out. The proper management of this hatchling and to supply them to the different farms, so that has to be understood in the principles of the poultry breeding. Then the management of breeding, stock and broilers within this poultry farm, according to the size of these farms, stocking capacity has to be estimated, particularly for these broilers and commercial layers also. And lastly, the processing and the preservation of the eggs, that is also understand in this topic. Next one is poultry diseases. These poultry diseases of different kinds: viral, bacterial, fungal and protozoan, and prevention. And in most of the cases, if viral diseases are there, this will cause huge damage to the poultry farms, your stocks. So we'll understand these diseases because that are related to the huge loss. Then lastly, the management of a poultry farm, progressive plans to form or promote poultry as the same employment venture. The government India and the state government also providing much amount of tools, financial aspects to development as a parallel employment opportunities to the people. So that we also understand in this unit 3. The last unit is about dairy, uh, and within that unit 4, we need to have to understand how is dairy farm, how to manage it, how much amount of cattle you have to uh, have in your farm. The number of there has to be restricted, it should not be go beyond, so that you cannot manage it properly. So the structure and layout of the dairy farm and its management, it's very much important. Then you also needs to be understand about what type of cattle in your farm, that also is very much important. Particularly the huge amount of, or what we can say, a proper amount of milk production should be there, so that will be understand in your dairy farm management. Second one is related to the artificial insemination, preservation of semen in cattle, so that for the process of fertilization and to get good quality of dairy cattle, or what we can say species of that particular varieties of that cows and cattle has to be there in your farm. Then the third topic is about the induction of early puberty and synchronization of estrus in cattle diseases is another topic that we have to take in this third topic, that is about the viral, bacterial, fungal and protozoan diseases and about their preventions. The last one is management of the modern dairy farm. progressive plans for their self-employment venture, dairy farming as a self-employment. We need to understand within this unit 4 a proper management, proper tools and techniques or the improvement techniques has to be utilized within this dairy farm, that we have to understand in this unit 4. After that the practicals are there, and within that practical you need to study the different kinds of insects of plants, stored grains, and their life cycle you have to understand, and you need to write out in your practical record. The second one is the estimation of the quality of milks in different dairy farms. You need to go to the dairies in Brahmapuri, collect the milks, and you need to identify the specific gravity, fat content, pH, and viscosity of that milk samples from the different dairies. Uh, you need to visit the poultry farms. There are few poultry farms. There are also some dairy farms in and around us, so that you have to go over there, visit over there, make a tour report, and submit it to the department. Lastly, the laboratory record should have to be submitted. Then there are some computer edit techniques should be adopted. Uh, the faculty will be told about this, what these techniques as your practical will be on. Thank you.